Hello, welcome back. Today I'm cooking kale and sunflower seed stew. This is Armel. Stay tuned for fun. I'm starting by adding a boiling water to my kale to soften it up a little. I could just boil it on the stove, but I just feel like doing it off the stove today. Now moving on to prep my ingredient for puree in my blend tech accessories. I have onion, red bell pepper, and hot pepper. I'm using red bell pepper instead of tomato just because it's today. So, but yeah, sometimes I just don't like using tomato. Some people are even allergic to tomato, so feel free to experiment red bell pepper. And here I have my sunflower seed that I'm using today. You can use pumpkin seed for this, but I'm using sunflower seed mostly for its health benefit. So it is pureed now, finely pureed. But for the red pepper, I just did it coarsely. And now moving on to the stove where I'm adding a little bit of oil and cook the chopped onion in there. Then add the puree red bell pepper mix. Alors mes amours, aujourd'hui ma sauce Gboma ou sauce épinard, je le fais avec du chou frisé et les graines de tournesol, juste parce que bon voilà, il y a plein de ces produits ici à côté et puis les vertus de santé sont énormes. Et voilà, oui, les graines de tournesol regorgent de vitamine E. Leur action antioxydante permet de protéger les membranes cellulaires de la peau. Et puis bon, le chou frisé, elle est très riche en vitamine K. Et puis bon, elle est une source excellente de vitamine C et A. Très bonne source de calcium et du fer. Voilà, faut le tenter aussi. I'm now adding my meat, my pre-cooked meat. So you can go without meat, or use your favorite meat, but it has to be pre-cooked. And you'll notice also that I've added powdered fish and powdered prawn. Those are optional. So I just give it more taste. So that's why I'm using it. But feel free to go without. Now I can add my puree sunflower seed. I chose sunflower seed for this stew because of the health benefit of sunflower seed. You know how rich it is in vitamin E. It helps promote skin, hair, and nail health. So yeah, it's a very good source of selenium to help support your immune system, and it got magnesium and everything. It's just good for you. So try it. Now that the sunflower seed puree is well cooked in the stew, I'm now adding the softened kale. Kale is healthy. It's full of vitamin C, A, and iron. So calcium, it helps improve, lower the cholesterol, improve heart health. Very good during pregnancy, so use kale often, but for this stew spinach also works, so yeah, feel free to experiment. Add salt, bouillon, a little bit of hot pepper. I usually don't pop the hot pepper because not everybody tolerate the heat. So, but I love leaving it in there, because I'm serving different taste, different type of people. So whoever needs pepper can pop it in their own plate. So that's it is. And a little bit of black pepper too to finish the cooking. I love adding black pepper at the end of my cooking because that's how I've been taught, and also I just love the flavor. All right. The soup is done. You can eat it with rice. I love eating it with banku, fermented cornmeal, akume, couscous, or just like this. It tastes good. All right, bon appétit, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Merci les amours, à la prochaine. Bye bye.